Hello and happy Earth Day. I'm Trevor Welsh and I'm coming to you from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Galveston District, where we take pride in making trees smile. In supporting the mission of keeping Mother Nature happy and reducing our carbon footprint, we have recently installed an electric vehicle charging station. This device stores clean solar electricity to charge vehicles up to 265 combined miles in a single day. The solar panel is designed to follow the sun across the sky, which results in 25% more stored energy. This unit is capable of withstanding winds up to 125 miles per hour, is flood-proof up to 9.5 feet, and is also ADA compliant. Most importantly, this EV project supports President Biden's Executive Order 14057, catalyzing clean energy industries and jobs through federal sustainability. Signed December 8, 2021, this executive order requires agencies to achieve 100% carbon pollution-free electricity by 2030, including 50% on a 24/7 basis. At the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, we pride ourselves on being environmentally conscious, and this solar EV charger supports USACE's re-energized environmental operating principle of fostering sustainability as a way of life throughout the organization. With this and projects like it, we can proudly say we are the Corps of Engineers and we believe in a sustainable future. Thanks for watching and happy Earth Day.